Hello everyone, I hope you're all good. Welcome back to my channel. Did I say that the wrong way around? Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today's video is going to be a Poundland haul. I've not done one in a couple months. The last one I did was just before Christmas, and I went in there the other day and got a few different bits. I got some Eastery bits as well. So yeah, I just thought I would come on and show you what I've got. So first I'll just show you a couple foodie bits that I got. I got some Milky Bar buttons. Who doesn't like Milky Bar buttons? And Smarties. These are for the kids because I don't care about their teeth or their health. No, I'm joking. But there are treats every now and then. And then I saw these in there, Cadbury Mini Stars, and they just looked really good. So I got them. Just a sucker for new stuff. I don't know if these are new, but I hadn't seen them before. And I thought the kids would like them. So I got them. Do they come in a bar like that? I'm not even opened them to see what they look like, and I want to now. Oh, I didn't know they come like that. They come in like this little packet. Looks like one of them Swiss rolly things. And then I'm guessing there's like little ones in there. Oh, this is interesting. Yeah, look, and they come like little like that, and then a pack of them. Oh, I want to eat it so bad. So that was the foodie stuff I got. I got a couple beauty bits for me, not beauty, but like toiletries. So I got this Umberto Gianni salt spray. I thought I could just, my hair's very boring, like it's just very straight and just bland. So I thought when it's wet I could spray this on it and spice it up a bit, give it something because it's so boring. And I also got some dry hair shampoo because this one is got a hint of blonde in it. So because I am not naturally blonde, I get bad roots. I might actually just try it for you now and see how. Oh, is that blonde or is that, I don't know. Oh, so it's actually a really nice colour. I mean, that looks white there, but I'll just blend that a bit. And it is actually quite, I know, look crazy now. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? I love how them ones smell as well. I wish I didn't do that because now I've got to do the rest of the video with weird hair. Alright though, it actually looks better in the mirror than it does on the camera though. Right, this is not what this video is meant to be about. So yeah, dry hair shampoo. In one of my other Poundland hauls, I got one of these before, but I got the other flavour. Oh, it's right here actually, I can show it. Flavour! It's not a flavour, it's scent. I'm all over the place today. Yeah, I got this one before, the So Kiss Me, because it reminded me of when I was younger and I used to get it. And I actually really like the smell, it smells good. Got this one today and it smells just as good. It's just nice to just kind of spray it all over you. So they were toiletries. Then I got these little things for in the washing machine. Scent booster, that's what they are. That's what I was trying to think of what they're called. Yeah, I did actually put these in the wash yesterday. I can't open it. And it smelled alright. It smells quite nice, very sweet. Not like the Unstoppables where they really smell a lot, don't they? And they really last a long time as well. This one, after the clothes had been washed and dried, I couldn't smell it that much. But the initial smell when you get out of the washing machine is nice. And then it does fade quite quickly. But I didn't actually put that much in, so maybe next time I'll put a bit more in. But I thought that was good, and obviously a lot cheaper than the Unstoppables. So that was a nice little purchase. And then I got a couple Zaflora. I might have actually got these from Savers, so I might be lying, but I know they do sell Zaflora in Poundland, so let's just pretend I've got them from Poundland, not Savers. I got the Linen Fresh scent and the Bouquet. They are my two favourites. I also put these in the washing machine to clean the washing machine every now and then. Just pour like a capful in there, and obviously I watch Mrs. Hinch, so I do a lot of the stuff that she does with it, like puts it in her sink and then cleans her minky and stuff. Still feels weird saying that. Cleans her minky with Zaflora. Yeah, and then I got a few little Eastery bits. So I got this colour in tablecloth. So it's a tablecloth that you can colour in. Colour in tablecloth. How many different ways can you say it? I got one from Poundland for Christmas as well, which was obviously a Christmassy design, and the kids have loved it. So around Christmas time I will start putting this out on the table. Did I just say around Christmas time? I don't know. Around Easter time, I'll put this on the table and they can just start colouring in every day. It's really sweet. What other Easter bits I got? So I got, they're all crushed. They're at the bottom of the bag and they're just all crushed. But these little grey bunnies, I liked the fact that they were grey and they would go with my house. But I don't know where I'm going to put them yet. Maybe I'll just dot them around the house. I can't get them out. Oh, they've got feet. I didn't know they had feet. I thought they were just little bobbleheads. But they have got little feet too. They're cute, aren't they? I know what I'm going to do with them though. So if you have any ideas for me what I can do with my little bunnies, then please tell me. I'm going to make some Easter crafts with the kids, so I'm sure it will come in handy for that. Then I got the unicorn eggs. Zachy, don't come in. Don't come in naked. Yeah, I saw my friend Chloe, Life of the Busbies, did a Come to Poundland with me on her channel. She showed these in there and I thought they're so cute. Well, I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but they are very, very sweet. They've got little faces, look. So cute. They had a lot of really lovely Easter stuff in there. So if you want to see what is in Poundland at the minute, then go over to Chloe's channel because she did a Come to Poundland with me video. A few other little bits. I forgot to show you these. I know you want to see these. Yeah, some Sillet Bang toilet things. What do you call them? Don't know what you call them. Hygiene toilet block. Yes, I've got to put them on my toilets because everyone wants a clean toilet. And they were £1 for 2. Put one in my upstairs toilet, one in my downstairs toilet. I also got this little bunny skipping rope for Ava. She's downstairs. So she can't hear me, I don't know why I'm whispering. But yeah, she always uses my fitness skipping rope, and which is obviously too big for her. So I thought, I think I just spat, I don't know if you saw it though. Yeah, so I thought that she would like this little skipping rope. It is Easter themed, but she can use it when it's not Easter. I don't think there's like a rule against that. As well for Ava, because it's her birthday coming up. I don't know why I'm whispering, she cannot hear me, but it's her birthday coming up. And on, I've just showed you, on her list, she put, like at the bottom of the list, she put something to help with my spellings. And it just like melted my heart. How sweet is that? So I've got this little spelling book. She's got loads of these little books in Poundland. They're £1, so I just kind of get them every time I go in there. So I thought, just as like a little extra present, I got this spelling book. As well for Ava, stop whispering. As well for Ava, I got her a little LOL brush. Just as well, like a little added present. I might do her a little, like a lucky dip kind of bag with all these little presents in them. And for myself, is this the last thing? Yeah, lastly I got myself a little gold pen. That is just for no reason, I just wanted to get it. And the reason is that it's copper, and I've got a lot of copper accessories in my living room, and I thought that I could don't know, put that in a little pot in my living room as decoration. No, not really. I will use it because I like to write. I like to write things. Anyway, I've just gone crazy in here. So this is not from Poundland, but I popped to the card factory as I come out of Poundland and got 10 cards for £1. So if you're looking for cards, go into the card factory and you can get 10 for £1. I've already used 2 of them, but you just do loads and loads of different designs. I don't even know when I will ever use this one, but it's nice, right? I could even cut it and put it in a frame, and I don't know why I would do that either, but you could do that. Like, it's 10 for £1, people. That is it. That is the end of the video. That is everything that I got in Poundland. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye!